Retinol. It's one of the best products on the market for anti-aging. Hello, and my name is Faye from Prime Aesthetics in Sevenoaks in Kent. So today I'll be talking about retinol. I get a lot of questions from clients asking about what retinol I use, what is it, what does it do. Like our channel, please subscribe so we can keep you updated with any regular videos that we've got, or please like or leave any comments or questions below. So today we will be talking about retinol, what it is and the benefits. So originally retinol was used for patients with acne, and when they were using them they noticed it had so many other benefits. It was great for anti-aging, it was great for collagen stimulation, they had smoother and more firmer skin. So retinol now is one of the best anti-aging products on the market. Great for evening out skin tone, sunspot, age spots, pigmentation, crepiness in the skin. It's great for the face, the neck, the décolletage area. So I use it all down here because the sun essentially hits. So if you've got low cut t-shirts, it hits there. So it's a great all-rounder for just general bright glowing skin. So it sheds all that dead layer of skin. So if you are peeling and flaking, don't panic, that's just unwanted dead skin coming away. Retinol comes in different strengths and potencies. So you have your products that you buy from high streets like Boots, where you have your retinaldehyde. So if you look on your high street products, if you look on the ingredients, if you have something that starts with retin, that's your weaker forms, so that's from the retinol family. Then you can buy retinols from clinics like ourselves that specialise in pharmaceutical products, and it's essentially retinol, and we sell them in different strengths. And again, depending on what you're trying to target or achieve. And then you have your prescription retinols, which is your tretinoins. So this is sort of essentially the big daddy of the retinols. So you've got your retinoic with your prescription, which is tretinoin. So with retinols, I always like to use an analogy. So it's a bit like going to the gym. If you've never been to the gym before, and you go in and you pick up the heaviest weights, you're going to do an injury to yourself. You're going to pull muscles, you're going to be achy, and essentially the skin is the same. You need to build yourself up because it is essentially a bit of a shock to the skin if you've never used these types of products before. So again, it's really important to ease yourself in. How do we use them? So I would recommend you use them at night, because if you use them during the day, the sun will break down the molecules in the product, so it's not going to be very effective. Secondly, I would recommend using them after you've cleansed. So cleanse, tone, exfoliate, so your regular skincare regime, and then your retinol. You don't need anything else other than this, so just your retinol. I would recommend using it 3 times a week if you've never used it before, to build yourself up. So if you're using it maybe on a Monday, Wednesday and a Friday, it takes a couple of days to see a reaction. So don't go putting on another layer on the Tuesday if you've never used it before, because it takes, by the time you've got to a Wednesday, you're getting Monday's reaction, and then if you've put a layer on Tuesday, you'll get double the reaction. So it's really important to ease yourself up. The worst that's going to happen is you're either going to peel, flake, skin's be very blotchy and red and itchy. So if you feel that you've put too much, then you just ease it back and build yourself up slowly. So the great thing about coming to clinics like ours regularly is that we get to know your skin and we'll build up your products as and when we feel that's right. What I don't recommend is you actually stop using it once you've started, because you'll unravel all the work that you've done. So it's really essentially you want to sort of break through that barrier of flaking or itching. I essentially call it sort of face dandruff, because I've had a bit. Just changing, and it's just essentially exercising the skin and keeping it on its toes. So I do recommend that you go through that, build up slowly. But I hope that was helpful and you found that informative.